Hello and welcome back to what is a very late vlog considering when it was filmed versus when it's being posted, but welcome back nonetheless. I am here with another vlog. This was a girls trip with some of my best friends to one of our favorite places, New Orleans, Louisiana, for Essence Festival weekend, which we've all been to together before in some form or fashion. We've had like different versions of this group, and I've been to Essence so many times with different folks. It's one of my favorite things to do in the States over the summer, especially for 4th of July weekend. So we all went together and planned it out to make it this year. We rented this awesome unit. It's at one of the Romy properties. It was the penthouse unit that had 2 full bedrooms and a lot of great common space and just enough room for us all to fit comfortably. We're not in the stage of our lives where we're like partying all night and then just, coming back to the hotel, throwing everything around until we put on our next outfit, shower, get ready, take some more shots and head out. I mean, we did do some taking shots and heading out, but we had a little bit more of an itinerary and just needed somewhere that was like super comfy for us all to come and rest at the end of the day, and this was perfect. Now, I will say, I would book this again, but I would send a note ahead of time to make sure that their cleaning service was doing what they need to do. I think it was just a little bit of carelessness from whoever the cleaning company they were working with was. When we got into the unit, there was just like some trash and stuff left over. But aside from that, it was legit. So we got in our digs, hung out, got to talk, and then headed out onto Bourbon Street and enjoyed the scenery there for a little bit. Okay, if you've been here for a while and you really know me, you probably know my obsession and my love for Crew, Duoptic Crew eyewear. I love their shades, and they are a New Orleans based brand, so while I was in town I had to check them out. Not only do they have great eyewear, they have a great customer experience. If you go into any of their boutiques, it's just always a fantastic experience. If you walk in with Crew shades on, they're taking them off your face to clean them for you and just give you amazing service. So I had to go there, and then they also opened up this really cute restaurant called Petula, and just based off my experience with the eyewear brand, I knew Petula would probably be great. So I had my friends and I book a reservation, and we went for lunch, and it was everything we expected and more. This Basque cheesecake is something that I know we're going to talk about for years and years to come. One of them had olive oil and balsamic vinegar on it with salt, and the other one had like a compote of some sort. It was so good. I cannot recommend it enough. So that was our lunch for our first full day there. After lunch, we headed over to the convention center. We were headed to the Essence Author Stage. We knew that Kennedy Ryan was going to be there. My friends and I are big fans of her writing, so we wanted to go see her speak and talk about, her latest release, as well as some of her adaptations to television and film. So that was really fun to see. And then after that point, I honestly did not do a great job of vlogging for the rest of my time there. This is one of my looks for, I don't even remember where we were going, but I beat my face and we were headed out. I had a really great time, even though I did not capture as much. I was trying on the last day when we went back to the convention center to capture a lot of the experiential stuff, because I was, doing some more professional posts, just talking about my observations about, the experiential marketing element of Essence and how, folks really connect with brands at events like this with all of the activations. So I got a little bit here, but after that, honestly, it was kind of a wrap. I got a little bit more of one of our last restaurant reservations, but I don't mind that I didn't do so well vlogging because I had such a great time with my friends. So I appreciate you all watching, and I promise to do better next year for Essence.